place every day we come.
Okay.
So today we do one.
And I will give you absolute inner serenity.
Jesus, you can't even see them, Mom. I ain't trying to see them. I'm like, where are you speeding to? They already missing the front end. But that's why I'm saying they going a different direction than me. Their ultimate goal is completely different than mine. That's crazy.
Maybe they're late for work or something.
On a Saturday?
Some people work on a Saturday.
That's true. They should have left their house. See, that's why we ain't in the same lane. Because I would have just left my house way early. Oh, go to bed at night. I'm for real. Like, even with Kayvon, I'm like, if he would simply go to bed when he get off, he would be able to get up the time that he wants to get up. He wants to come home, talk for hours. It's like, leave me the fuck alone. Go to bed. Yeah. I'm like, I gotta be up in a few hours. Literally.
Yeah.
Then wonder why I have an attitude the next day. Because I ain't getting my damn sleep. First of all, I gotta get up and come get your ass. Knowing I'm supposed to be asleep. But I want to get to a place where I just don't allow anything to get to me at all. No matter, it just doesn't alter my mood. Like, for instance, when you go into a store or something, you know how sometimes people be having attitude and then, like, I like to greet people and I like to be greeted. So I just, if I feel like doing it, I do it. If I don't, I'm not. So for instance, like, today when we went into Dollar Tree, and she just had us just standing there waiting, like no worries, I have nowhere to be, I have nothing to do. I'ma just wait until you finish your conversation. And then when she came over, I was like, I'm not gonna let your lack of knowledge on how to treat customers affect my day. So I was just like, all right, so reset. Now that you're talking to me, I'm gonna reset from that, you know, that interaction right there, because that was like, really? So I started looking for stuff that I need, that I may have missed. And I was like, girl, you ain't even coming here for this. You came in for bubbles.
Well, yeah, I could
Are you fucking kidding me? But I was like, y'all ain't even worth the energy. Oh, this thing so dark, girl. You fucking. But so when she came back over, I was just like reset. And when I reset my energy, she reset her energy. And then I said something. I was like, oh, I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to myself because that was stupid. And that made her like simmer down. And she reset. And I was like, that's what it's all about. Just resetting your own energy, because you getting aggravated with them because the shit they doing, and you're just escalating from there. And I want to constantly be able to do that. And even if people don't reset, I just still be like, hey, how you doing? You have a good day, or whatever it is. Oh, it's dirty in here. Close your eyes. Come on. Baby. Baby. Then I take this out, take this out, put this in, put this in, and then put this in. And these can go on top of here.
way. I ain't never met a nigga can't rebound what he think, she think. Don't let that pretty shit fool you, I really adore you.
Alright, I'm back. I planned on being back, changed and all this jazz, but that definitely didn't happen. Because today is a lazy day. Not lazy as in chilling all day, because I actually got stuff done. But lazy as in not feeling obligated to get up and get dressed and look pretty and all that stuff. It sometimes happens that way. So I'm gonna take y'all with me. I'm going to pick up groceries from Kroger's. Although we went to Kroger's earlier, I just didn't feel like, after working out, I didn't feel like going and picking up all the groceries that I needed. And I'm on a raw diet. I don't know why I keep calling it diet, because I'm really doing this just to have a better gut health. So it's not even a diet. I guess it's a dietary supplement, so it would be considered diet, but yeah. But the camera is about to die, so I don't even know what to say about that. But yeah, so since I'm eating raw things, I have to constantly keep buying groceries. So I got those groceries earlier just so that I can have something to eat while these groceries are picked by Kroger's itself. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I guess I'll shoot from my phone the rest of the time if I go somewhere else, because I want to go pick up some things from I don't know if I want to get them out of Kroger's or if I want to get them out of Walmart, but I do know I need to pick up some other things. So yeah, but I hope you guys are having a good day, because I am. I'm enjoying just